AI models are getting smarter every day, and as a forex trader, you ought to be taking full advantage of that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an RSI indicator for MT5 PC using Claude AI. And note that we are not building this indicator from scratch. We'll be using TradingView in this process, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I am currently on my TradingView chart. So I'll go to my indicators, and then I'll look for the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and then I'll tap on it, and then it will appear. Or if yours is not on these favorites, you need to search for it here, RSI, and then this is the indicator that you're supposed to use, or this one, whichever that you prefer. Okay, and then star it and then go to my favorites, and then you'll find it there. Okay, after that you need to locate where it is. It is on the bottom part of the screen. You then need to highlight on this RSI here, and then you go to the source code. Tap on this icon, source code. This is the original source code for this RSI indicator that appears on the screen. So what we'll do is Control A and then copy the whole thing, copy, and then I'll paste it here. This is the prompt that I'll be using to create the indicator. Paste it, Control V, and you need to select everything and then copy the whole thing. This is the prompt plus the source code, and then go to Claude AI, and then you need to paste the whole thing here. Control V, and before you send, you need to select the model here, and then adaptive thinking, enable it, and then you send the query to Claude. It will process everything. I'll put the prompt in a TXT form in the video description below. You'll download it and then you'll use it. I am assuming that you're using a laptop or a computer, so it will be easier to actually open the TXT form rather than if you have a phone. Okay, it has taken some few minutes for Claude to give me the answer. You can see that it has converted the code to, I think, C++, because MT5 uses C++. So what I'll do, I'll basically copy the thing, the whole indicator code. So just tap on this copy icon here, and then create a new notepad, new note on notepad, then notepad, and then paste it there. And then you need to save it, file, save as, and then RSI indicator, name it that RSI indicator, and then save it. Save. After that, we need to minimize all these windows. We go back and then we go to the folder where the file has been saved, RSI indicator, and then we rename it to, we rename the extension from txt here to MQ5, and hit OK. Yes, and that's it. So after that, we need to minimize this and then go to MT5, MetaTrader 5, and then what we'll do here is go to the tools and then meta quotes language editor, or if you can press F4, the function key. It will take you to this window. You maximize it and then you go to the experts here, right click on it and then open folder. And here we need to create a folder that will store all our indicators that we'll build. It will be a series of indicators that we'll be building. And this is for organization purposes because I have both and also indicators at the same time. So to just prevent the mix up, you just need to create a folder and then call it indicators. Get into that folder and then go to the downloads, copy the thing, the indicator that you have just built, copy, go back, and then paste it on that folder that you have just created. Control V, and then that's it. Minimize it. Before I even minimize, I need to expand this experts folder, and then indicators here, and then here I need to compile it. Right click on that indicator, right click, and then compile. And we have 0 errors, we have 0 warnings, and there is nothing that will prevent the indicator from running. However, if you do have warnings, you need to go back to whichever AI that you are using and fix the errors in whichever line that there is that error, because it is a code error. Fix it and then come back, repeat the process again, and then compile it. After it has compiled with 0 errors, minimize this, go back to your charts here. We'll expand this indicator that we've just created, and then this RSI indicator will drag and drop to the charts. drag and drop. Okay, and you can see that the RSI is appearing on this lower part of the chart as it is in the trading view. You can see here, trading view here, this one here, it has two lines, MT5 has two lines. And if for no reason you find that the RSI is not running, you need to enable the algo trading here. This icon should appear green instead of red, and then it will work effectively as you need it. And that's it. And the process is as simple as that, building the RSI using Claude AI by converting the code from TradingView to or MT5. And that's it. Be productive and see you on the next one.